Hey, in today's video I'm going to show you how to rattle can and prime your miniatures and also use a Zenfil highlight because we're fancy, no airbrush is required, and today's examples I use Mechanica standard grey base and then a Gracia highlight. So you want to do this around a foot away from the miniature, 20-30 centimeters, and priming slightly just above the miniature like you can see here on camera, and then that'll help show us the highlighted places and then the more dark places for the shadows, so when we come to paint this miniature in the future it makes our life easier. So new and old, you're probably going, why are you showing us this? It's 2023, you may have a new army project, you may have never primed a miniature before, or you may have always just used one base paint when you're priming your miniature, and I thought, why don't I show you how to Zenfil highlight today? So I know there's loads of techniques out there, the likes of slap chop when you're dry brushing, you're using your air brushes, but I thought talking about this simple rattle can technique would be quite approachable for new and old hobbyists today. So I'm going to show you a different bit of footage now where I actually used a Chaos Black underbase then with a white primer on top. And you get kind of a more efficient effect here. And then I'll put them both beside each other on a screenshot. And then hopefully this really quick simple video was helpful. I just thought I'd get it out there. It's the new year, there could be new hobbyists, it's 2023, you may want to start a new army project, and hopefully this video was somewhat helpful, and if it was, I would greatly appreciate if you could like, comment, subscribe. You don't have to, but if you do, thank you so much, it's greatly appreciated. So I'm Alex, and hopefully this quick and easy priming slash Zenfil highlight video with a spray can slash rattle can was helpful. Before I go, thank you again for watching the video. Extra thank you to the people on screen. Their support means a lot. It means they get extra blogs, they get some extra videos. It's literally £1 a month, and then that just helps on the background costs. But literally just watching this video, sharing is greatly appreciated. So yeah, hopefully that's given you some new techniques. If you already knew them, that's okay. I'm glad you already know them. If you don't, then hopefully this video comes in handy for you. I'm Alex, this is Alex Timp's Tabletop, and you have a good year of hobbying. All the best. Goodbye.